There's a certain magic in travel. It's a magic that transcends age. For those over 50, it's not just about seeing new places, it's about feeling truly alive. Imagine standing before the Eiffel Tower, its iron latticework a testament to time. Picture yourself sipping fragrant Darjeeling tea, the Himalayas painting the horizon. These experiences and countless others are your birthright, no matter your age. Travel at this stage of life is liberating. We've learned from our experiences. We know ourselves better. This wisdom allows us to embrace travel with open arms and adventurous spirits. We're no longer bound by the constraints of youth. We can savor the journey, taking time to explore our destinations deeply. Remember, age is just a number. Adventure knows no bounds. Let's turn the page and embark on this exciting chapter together. I'm here to guide you, step by step, towards unforgettable experiences. Let the journey begin. Packing can be a breeze, even if you're bringing your life's experiences along. The key is to pack light and smart. Start with a well-organized packing list. Divide your suitcase into categories: clothing, toiletries, electronics, and miscellaneous. This keeps everything tidy and easy to find. Choose versatile clothing pieces in neutral colors. A couple of pairs of comfortable walking shoes are essential. Remember, you can always do laundry on the go. Pack a lightweight, foldable day pack for excursions. It's perfect for carrying water, snacks, and souvenirs. Don't forget a small first aid kit with essentials like pain relievers, bandages, and motion sickness medication. Pack your medications in their original containers and keep them in your carry-on bag. Always have a copy of your passport, travel insurance, and important documents stored separately. Staying healthy while traveling is easier than you think. Before you go, schedule a checkup with your doctor. Make sure your vaccinations are up to date and discuss any health concerns you may have. Pack a sufficient supply of any medications you take regularly. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially in warmer climates. Carry a reusable water bottle and refill it whenever possible. Don't be afraid to indulge in local cuisine, but practice moderation. Try to incorporate some physical activity into your itinerary. Walking is a fantastic way to explore new destinations. Listen to your body and take breaks when needed. Don't feel pressured to see everything on your list. It's perfectly acceptable to spend an afternoon relaxing in a park or enjoying a leisurely lunch. Travel is about enriching your life, not exhausting yourself. Traveling smarter can make your adventures even more enjoyable. Consider joining a travel club for seniors. These clubs offer discounted rates on flights, accommodation, and tours. They also provide opportunities to connect with like-minded travelers. When booking flights, opt for early morning or late evening departures to avoid crowds. Choose accommodations that offer amenities like elevators, walk-in showers, and grab bars if mobility is a concern. Always notify your bank and credit card companies of your travel plans to avoid any issues with transactions. Embrace technology. Download travel apps that can assist with navigation, language translation, and finding local restaurants. Pre-book transportation and tours to save time and avoid queues. A portable phone charger is a lifesaver, especially during long days of exploring. Traveling at this stage of life is about immersing ourselves fully in the experience. It's about slowing down, engaging our senses, and creating lasting memories. Instead of rushing from one tourist attraction to another, take the time to truly appreciate the destination. Engage with locals, even if it's just a smile and a greeting. Try new foods, attend local events, and learn a few basic phrases in the local language. These small interactions can lead to unexpected adventures and cultural insights. Don't forget to document your journey. Keep a travel journal, capture moments with your camera, or collect small mementos along the way. Sharing your experiences with loved ones back home can be incredibly rewarding. These memories will be treasured for years to come. One of the greatest joys of travel is connecting with different cultures. It broadens our perspectives, challenges our assumptions, and enriches our understanding of the world. Approach each encounter with an open mind and a willingness to learn. Respect local customs and traditions, even if they differ from your own. Dress modestly when visiting religious sites. Learn basic greetings and phrases in the local language. It's a sign of respect and can enhance your interactions. Consider participating in a cultural exchange program or volunteering for a local organization. These experiences offer a deeper immersion into the local way of life and create meaningful connections. Remember, travel is a two-way street. It's about sharing our own cultures as well as experiencing others. The world is waiting to be explored, and there's no better time than now to embark on your next adventure. Traveling after 50 is a privilege, a time to rediscover ourselves and the world around us. Embrace the unknown, challenge your limits, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Don't let age be a barrier to pursuing your travel dreams. With a little planning and a spirit of adventure, the possibilities are endless. Whether it's a weekend getaway to a nearby city or a month-long expedition to a far-off land, each journey holds the promise of new experiences and personal growth. So, pack your bags, grab your passport, and step out into the world. Adventure awaits. Thank you for watching today. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications. In the comments below, tell me where you're traveling to next. I will see you next time as we aspire to health.